Okay. So yeah, good morning, everyone. So we will start with, yes, so we will start with the same topic that we left in the last class, right? So I hope all of you remember the concept. The concept was some special cases of permutation. Yes or no? Tell me. Hi, Anna. I guess all of you remember it was some special cases of permutation, right? So let us write it down. Okay, let us write it down. Look, step by step सोचेंगे. So special cases of permutation. Special cases of permutation, है ना? Right? Okay. Yes, Ajat. I had sent. It was not uploaded here. I think I had sent. Right? I think it is not uploaded. Right? I'll check once again. ठीक है? मैंने already कर दिया था. So upload नहीं हुआ होगा Ajat. I will just check once again. ठीक है? Okay. So see the first special case. I hope all of you remember the first special case. What was the first special case? If I have to arrange, right? If in arrangement of, if in arrangement of, in an arrangement of what? Adarsh is here. Adarsh is not here. ठीक है, right? Arrangement of n objects, ठीक है, objects, right? If in arrangement of n objects are same, ठीक है, then what? Tell me. I hope all of you remember. So we should ask, sir, right? In how many ways we can arrange n objects? Tell me. In how many ways we can arrange n objects? Everyone, please respond.
Sir, depends on how many objects.
N objects, na? I'm saying it is n objects, right? Na? It is given n objects. N factorial, right? So I can write step by step. N objects, है ना? N objects can be arranged है ना? In how many ways? Arranged in n factorial ways. N factorial ways. Yes or no? हाँ ना? ये सबको याद है? Right?
हाँ सर याद है सर. Yes sir याद है.
Ways. ठीक है, very good. And R objects can be arranged in how many ways?
R ways.
Sir, R factorial.
Sir R factorial.
Good, very good.
Factorial ways.
Very good. Arranged in R factorial ways. So ये R और N जो है बस एक number है ना? Now, in this case, what is there? Sir, I'm having N objects. Out of it, R objects are same. हाँ है ना? Right? ठीक है. So I would write note. If R objects are same, right? If R objects are same. If it is same, then tell me what is the number of arrangement?
Sir, n factorial divided by n minus r.
Yes sir.
No, अगर R objects same है तो.
Sir, voice is breaking, sir. No sir, it is fine.
Factorial minus R factorial.
No, it is. I'm asking you very simple, very good, Dhati.
N factorial divided by R factorial.
No. I'm saying if you have three
N
apples,
factorial minus R factorial.
guys, you don't have to
N
think
factorial.
it is just similar. It is just this. Don't think about n. Just think about this. No, Rajat. Just think about this. If you have R objects and they are same, right? They are same. So we have three apples. Think about it. If we have three same apples, so if they are same, does it matter if apple is here or this apple is here? Will it matter?
No,
No
sir.
sir.
No, right?
sir.
You can say, sir, the arrangement will be one way only. Yes or no? Right?
Yes sir.
So if our objects are same, then number of their arrangement, right, is equal to 1. Yes or no? Ayana? Everyone, step by step.
Yes.
Yes, or no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Sir.
But if you talk about this, if you talk about this n factorial ways, I'm actually multiplying this r factorial also in this n factorial. Hi, Anna. Right? Anna. So it is extra. I'm multiplying extra. So if I have multiplied r factorial extra, what I have to do to remove that? Tell me. अगर मैंने extra multiply कर दिया तो मुझे हटाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा?
Sir, divide.
So divide.
Yes, yes.
Divide.
Very
Sir,
good.
divide.
Correct. So I can say, right? Concept is that total number of ways of arranging n objects, right? N objects out of which our objects, right? Our object is same. Our objects are same, right? Is equal to what? N factorial divided by r factorial. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes,
Everyone?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, because I'm multiplying r factorial extra times because they are same. So the number of ways instead of r factorial, it should be only one, right? So I'm multiplying this extra. So if this is extra and after divide it now.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes. Tell me. Yeah, tell me what is the doubt? Tell me.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if there are 3 apples, sir, you told us, sir.
Yes, 3 apple one,
Sir,
right?
if they look the same, sir, but their weight is different, sir.
No. Again, if there's a weight is different, then there will be 3 different objects, na? Right? I'm saying same, exactly same, right? Looks wise, everything is same. Okay, right? Okay, they're exactly same, है ना? Clone समझ लो, ठीक है? Okay, chalo, very good, right? Very good, everyone. So I hope all of you understood. Rupa, Arav,
Yes, sir.
Sanketi,
Yes,
Madhu.
sir. Yes, sir.
Not Sanketi, sorry.
Sir, I forgot, sir, what is factorial, sir? Can you like tell us again?
You didn't revise the concept, Arav. That's why, right? Factorial is just the consecutive multiplication of natural numbers, है ना? Right? See, I've sent this notes now. I hope I'd sent this notes.
Yes,
like,
I remember, sir.
Yes.
1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6.
Exactly, Arav,
It
right?
will be 6 factorial.
Yes. So let us solve one problem in this, right? Let us solve one problem in this. Okay, concept check. So concept check. What is the language of Kerala? Anyone remember?
Malayalam.
Pure Malayalam.
Sir, Malayalam.
And I hope you know the interesting fact about Malayalam.
Yes, sir. Sir, if we write from right to left and from left to right, it is the same.
So the question is, how many words doesn't have it's not that it should have meaning, right? It may have without any meaning, right? So my question is, how many words can be formed using the alphabets of word Malayalam, right?
X factorial.
Using
Sir, Malayalam spelling wrong, sir.
So what is ML?
Yes, sir. Malayalam spelling wrong.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
M-A-L-A.
Yes. My bad. How can I make?
Sir, that is why I was thinking why it is Malayalam. Malayalam. Sir, if we rotate it also, the words will be same,
Yeah.
sir.
So now it is correct.
Yes, sir. Now it is correct.
Yes. Using alphabets of the word, right? Tell me, everyone, just message, right, guys? Just message. Give other people also the opportunity to solve and discuss. है ना?
Sir, your video is stuck.
Sir's video is not stuck. Sir is sitting like that. See the curtain behind.
I'm just waiting for you guys to.
Sir, is repetition allowed?
No, no, Akshit. Again, right? You just have to use this word, right? You just have to use these alphabets. Okay. So you cannot use more than, right? How many alphabets? 9 alphabets. No, Kishore. See, first of all, how many alphabets we have? Step by step. Let us think, right? I will help you to solve it. How many alphabets do we have? Sir, I'm having 9 alphabets. 9 alphabets. But in this 9 alphabets, many are repeated, yes or no, right? Many are repeated, yes or no, correct, everyone? Right?
Sir,
So,
yes, sir. Sir,
A,
4
A,
happens.
how many times? A is 4 times, right? L is 2 times. And M is also 2 times. Now, if think about it, guys, think about it. If all the alphabets were different, right? अगर सारे के सारे alphabets different होते, तो number of ways कितना होता? Tell me. If all the words would be different, the number of ways would be, yes, very good.
Sir,
9
9
Sir,
factorial.
9
factorial.
If I'm saying 9 factorial, I'm considering that A is different, है ना? Yes or no? I'm considering कि A जो है वो different है, right? So A is multiplied how many times? 4 factorial times.
Yes, sir, 4.
Yes, sir.
It is same, na? It is same, right? It is same. So instead of 4 factorial, it should be actually 1. It should be actually 1. Hi, Anna.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now, think about it, because if I'm saying 9 factorial, I consider A to be different, because 9 factorial is for all the different objects. Clear here? I know, Akshit, all of you are getting this, right?
Yes, sir.
I have multiplied this 4 factorial extra now. So I have multiplied it extra. What I have to do? Don't you think so? I have to divide it by 4 factorial.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
in the
sir.
L is also how many times?
2 times.
Sir, 2
2
times.
times.
I have multiplied 2
factorial.
extra, so it should also be right divided by 2
1.
factorial. 2 factorial, है ना? Right? In same way, M is
Yes,
also
sir.
2 times.
2
Right? M is,
factorial.
2 factorial 1 time.
so it is also 1. So I have to divide again by 2 factorial. So this 4 factorial is for repetition of A. This 2 factorial is for repetition of L. And this is for repetition of M. I deliberately took a difficult problem. I deliberately took a difficult problem because if you understood this, you can understand easy problems also. Hi, Anna, tell me.
हाँ, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब जैसे simple सा example, right? अभी एक और concept check. Now this is one that I helped you how to solve it, right? Someone asking how to solve it, sir. Easy. So we know that number of ways of ways. 9 factorial क्या होता है? Don't you think so? 9 factorial is 4 factorial into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9. Yes or no? Tell me. 9 factorial is this?
Yes, sir.
Right? 1, 2, 3, 4 को हम 4 factorial लिख लिए, right? 4 factorial into 2 factorial is 2. This is 2. 4 factorial cancel. 2 से ये 3 times. 2 से ये 4 times. So I guess all of you can multiply this now. Hi, Anna. Right? Okay, ये multiply करके आंसर लिख देना. चलो. So next concept check. Next concept check.
Sir, उसका वेस्ट आएगा सर वो.
हाँ आएगा ना, यही तो है number of ways. ये total number of ways हो गया ना.
हाँ sir.
Concept check. Now the word is this. I'll give you easy word. Apple. Tell me. or apple pie. Chalo, apple pie. Tell me. And this, what is the total number of ways, number of words that can be formed? Tell me. Easy. Step by step. Everyone should solve. Everyone should solve.
5.
Again, it is factorial. It is always factorial, right? So total number of alphabets you have to see.
8.
Yes. So 8 is the number of words, right? 8 is the number of words. So it should be 8 factorial. Divide by. Okay, this is done. Uske baad, tell me.
Divided by
3 into 2 factorial.
3 into 2 factorial.
3 into 2 factorial.
3 factorial into 2 factorial, na? Because
Sir.
हाँ sir.
Yes, sir.
Three is also, sir. Yes, sir.
2 factorial.
2 times.
Indeed,
2
2
factorial.
times.
Done?
Sir,
Everyone?
3 words are
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Rupa correct. Rupa correct. Kishore, you made one small mistake. E is also 2 times.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know, sir.
What
Yes,
did-
sir.
Tell me, Arav, Akshit, Niketan, Shravya, Yukti, Siddharth.
Sir, 1 factorial.
No, 1 factor is 1 only, na? Right? One थोड़ी ना होगा. 2 से ज़्यादा हो तब ना. If it is more than 2, then right? Chalo. So, okay. So this is the basic concept of permutation and combination, right? है ना? So no, not
Yes, sir.
combination. We just studied permutation, not combination. We just studied permutation. So let us see what we studied, right? Right? There's a scientist. Okay. Right? ठीक है. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Very good. So when you talk about the permutation, so he said the fundamental principle of counting. He basically thought of fundamental principle of counting. So you might be thinking, sir, ये नया थे, थोड़ी नया है, तो basic चीज है. But again, as I told you, कि किसी ने zero भी पहले discover किया ना, तो it was a discovery. That's why any method which was discovered at that time, it was a discovery. See, 1654, right? This is in 17th century. So he discovered the fundamental principle of counting. So we studied these things. We thought of these examples, right? Ayana, right? Is PK 3 ways, SK 2 ways, total 6 ways, right? Okay, so we solve these kind of problems. How many ways we will have, right? So we talked about principle of addition and principle of multiplication. So principle of
Multiplication.
multiplication.
Principle of addition.
Yes, if an event can occur in m ways, right? Following which another event which can occur in n different ways, then the total number of occurrence of event in right given order is m into n, means both are occurring, right? Both event 1 and event 2 both are occurring, then it is m into n. Hi Anna, tell me, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is
Yes,
2
sir.
events. If we have 3 events, again keep on multiplying. So let us see one easy problem. Tell me, this is example number 1, right? See how many example. Yes, right, very good. So example number 1, can you solve example number 1? Yes, Dhatri, I'll send, don't worry, I'll send this, okay? Right? I'll send this.
Sir, I have sent the answer in the chat box.
Yes, sir. Even I have sent the answer.
Yes, correct. Okay, very good. Very good, everyone. Very good. ठीक है, चलो. Simple, easy है. The easy लग रहा है सबको?
Yes,
किसको
sir.
दिक्कत है?
Yes, sir.
चलो,
No
very good.
difficulty.
Yes, sir.
Right, very good, है ना? Easy, so easy, sir. It is 4 factorial, right? 4 factorial, which is 24. Done? Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Hello. Very good, everyone. Very good. Anna, so it was easy. It was easy. So let us solve one more problem. Anna.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us solve this one. Question number 2. In the last problem,
Sir.
repeating was not allowed. That's why it
Yeah,
was this.
sir.
If repetition would have been allowed, then it is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, है ना? Right? So this we have already studied, है ना? चलो यहाँ पे second question है, try को एक बार. We have 4 flags of different color. How many signals can be generated? Okay, how many signals can be generated if the signal require 2 flags, only 2 flags? We require 2 flags, right? 2 flags. Tell me. 2 flags, right? So we have total 4 flags. 4 flags. Now think about it. Yes, very good, Kishore, correct. No, Rajat, no, Brinda. Think about the basic, na? Think about the basic. If you use only 2 flags for the signal and you have 4 flags, what is the meaning? Very good, Shavya, correct. Shavya, Kishore, correct. No, Nadhatri, no. Rohit, no. No, Niketan, no, Ragini. See, for first flag, how many options? For first flag, think like this. For first flag, how many options? Sir, 4 options. For second flag, how many options?
3.
3. Right? So what is the total number of ways? 12.
So
Got
4
it?
and 2. Yes.
12 factorial.
Or you have to select what? Sir, it is 4P2. You have to select 2 flag out of 4 flag, which is 4 factorial by 2 factorial. ठीक है? समझ में आया?
Yes.
That's it. Done? Clear? Everyone clear in this? Right? Basics, very basics. Okay, now solve this example. Everyone, solve this example. Example number 3. Example number 3. इसमें दिमाग लगेगा. अगर चलो, let us see. First of all, how many digits you have to form? Tell me. 2-digit even number, yes or no? 2 digit. Think about it. कितने digit माने हैं? सिर्फ 2 digit माना है, yes or no? So actually we have only 2 boxes, right? Very basic. So 2 boxes only. Now for any even digit, unit digit should be what? Tell me. For any even number, unit digit should always be what?
Sir, even number.
Even number. That I guess all of you know this. Now tell me,
Yes,
out of
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many even numbers do we have? How many even numbers do we
Sir,
have?
2, sir, 2.
Very good. So for this unit digit, how many options do I have?
Sir, 2.
2.
5.
2 option, na? Only 2
Yes,
and 4.
Yes.
Right? So
Sir.
only 2 option, right? Now here it is saying the repeat. It can be repeated. So for this tens digit,
So
we have
5
5.
options.
So the answer is
5
5.
into 2.
10. Very good.
Yes, sir. I sent it in the chat box.
Yeah. Rupa, it is 5 into 2, na? Very basic, Rupa. It is not, right? You don't have to just select 2, right? Because here the concept is also there. If the question is in how many ways, how many digits you can form, then it is 5 factorial by 2 factorial. 5 factorial, not by 5 factorial by 2 factorial, it is 5 factorial by 3 factorial. ठीक है? Because it is what? 5P2. 5 में से कोई 2 pick करना था, which is 5 factorial by 5 minus 2 factorial. Right? So it would be the same answer. Hayana.
Yes, sir. Sir, another one, sir.
Right? Now tell me, everyone got this? Hayana.
Yes, sir.
Everyone got this? Everyone?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So कभी कभी ना हम लोग को अपना कॉमन सेंस यूज करना होता है. सर इवन नंबर पूछा है तो कोई तो कंडीशन होगा ना, राइट? अगर ऑड नंबर पूछता, if I had to write the odd numbers 10, tell me, if odd number, then unit digit, how many options do we have in unit
3.
digit?
Options, and for the 10th digit, 5 options.
5 options.
5.
Sir, 3
So 5
options
into
and
3,
for 10th
15
digit, 5
options.
options.
And 5.
ठीक है?
5 into 3, 15.
15. So total number of digit would be what? 10 even plus 15 odd. हाँ या ना? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This is
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Right? This is
Sir,
also-
or else 5 into 5 is equal to 25.
Yes. Right. A total number
5
is 5.
factorial, sir.
5 factorial. Why we cannot use 5P3, 5P2? Because sir, repetition is allowed. हाँ या ना? Right? So we cannot use permutation over here because in case of permutation, we consider that it is different objects and repetition is not allowed. ठीक है? So common sense लग रहा है यहाँ पे. हाँ या ना? Right?
हाँ, sir.
ठीक है, सोचना पड़ रहा है ना, देखो दैट इज द डिफरेंस, राइट? दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फाउंडेशन कॉन्सेप्ट। इवन दो यू नो द formulas, but you have to think, you just don't have to blindly use the formulas. Now fourth one, tell me everyone, fourth one, सोचो एक बार, सोचो, take your time.
Sir, you are not audible. You have muted yourself.
Yeah, sorry, I'm audible now, right? So this question is very good. Okay, this question is very, very good. No, Akshit. Now, again, I have to use common sense, right? Ayana, I have to use common sense, right? What is the meaning of at least? Tell me, what is the meaning of at least?
Minimum.
Minimum, right?
Sir.
That is the question. ठीक है? That is the concept over here. इसलिए थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाना होता है. हाँ या ना? Now, अगर तुम question देखो तो question में क्या बोला है? Find the number of different signals that can be generated by arranging at least 2 flags on a vertical staff. If 5 different flags are available, so how many flags are available? Tell me.
Sir, five flags.
5. So I'm having
Sir, 5.
flag 1, flag 2, flag 3, flag 4, flag 5. Okay, step by step, right? Now, the question is at least 2. So, what's the meaning of at least 2? सोचो एक बार, what's the meaning of at least 2?
कम से कम 2.
कम से कम 2, sir. So I can have this. No, I can have something like this. एक केस में 2 flag. Then I can have this. Sir, 3 flag. Then this 4 flag. And then this.
सर वो 6 फ्लैग हो गया सर.
6 हो गया, my bad. 5 होना चाहिए था ना. ठीक है, वेट, स्क्रीन समझो, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं है, कोई एक्स्ट्रा कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है, बट कॉमन सेंस लग रहा है. हाँ या ना? टेल मी, थिंक अबाउट इट. नो एक्स्ट्रा कॉन्सेप्ट, जस्ट कॉमन सेंस. दैट इज व्हाट वी आर लर्निंग, है ना? हाउ टू यूज आवर कॉमन सेंस, राइट? व्हिच इज नॉट सो कॉमन एक्चुअली, डोंट यू थिंक? तो कॉमन सेंस इतना कॉमन भी नहीं है सर.
Yeah,
ठीक,
sir.
चलो. सो ये नो फॉर्मूलाज, जस्ट थिंकिंग. सर at least का मतलब ये हो गया सर. So I can have signal with 2 flag, I can have signal with 3 flag, I can have signal with 4 flag, I can have signal with 5 flags. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Raise your hand. यहाँ तक समझ में आया? Raise your hand. Everyone got till this point? Very good, very good everyone. ठीक है, very good, very good Akshit, very good Ragini, very good Niketan, very good Siddharth. Now tell me this. Let us think about this. In this case, you have 5 flags and you are choosing only 2 flag, right? So पहले के लिए कितने ऑप्शन? 5 ऑप्शन. दूसरे के लिए 4. तो कितने हो गए? 5 into 4 हो गया. हाँ या ना?
20.
Basically it is 5 factorial by 5 minus 2 factorial, right? So this is also 5 into 4. Clear है? हाँ या ना? Step by step.
सर
Step by
मैंने
step. Now,
समझ में नहीं आया सर.
see,
कैसे सर?
सेम चीज है ना. पहले सिग्नल के लिए कितने ऑप्शंस है? अगर मैं ये केस लाऊं सिर्फ 2 फ्लैग वाला, पहले के लिए 5 ऑप्शन है, तो एक यहाँ डाल दिया मैंने, फिर दूसरे के लिए कितने ऑप्शन बचेंगे? 5
Sure.
में से एक हटा दिया तो 4 बचेंगे, राइट? तो 5 into 4. और परम्यूटेशन के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो क्या हो गया सर? 5 में से कोई 2 चूज करना है ना? 5p2. So 5p2 क्या होता है? 5 factorial by 5 minus 2 factorial using your concept of permutation. ठीक है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it is 5 factorial. Now एक चीज देखो, 5 factorial by 3 factorial, it is not equal to 2 factorial. समझ में आया? ये पाप है. ठीक है, ये पाप नहीं करना है, because 5 factorial is basically what? 3 factorial into 4 into 5 ना? आया ना? Right? So it is 3 factorial करके कितना हो गया? 4 into 5 हो गया, सेम रह गया, है ना? ठीक है?
सर the same answer in chat box.
Yes. So wait. Now this is for 1. Now इसके लिए बताओ कितना होगा? If we take 3 signals, then so इसके लिए 5.
5,
So
Five,
5 to 4
4,
and
3.
3.
So it is 5 into 4 into 3. Or you can write it as 5p3. हाँ या ना? Right? 5 में से 3 choose करा. 5p3. In this case, it would be what? So 5.
Sir, 5, 4, 3, 2.
4, 3, 2.
So it is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Or 5p. कितने choose है? 5 में से कितने flags? 4. So 5p4. Clear है? Clear है? 5p4.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Last one. So 5, 4, 3, 2. The last one बच गया. So it is what? 5 into 4
5p.
into 2 into 1, which is 5p5. सिर्फ समझ में आ गया. Now, can you use all these signals at once? Tell me. Can you use signal of 2 flag or 3 flag or 5 flag or at once? No, na. Either I can either use this or use this or use this or use this. Hi Anna, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is a case of, the second one is a case of what?
so multiplication.
Or है ना?
Addition.
Sir,
Yes,
addition.
correct. So total number of ways कितना हो जाएगा? Total number of ways, ये समझो सबको ये. तो ये कितना है? So it is 5p2 plus ये क्या है? 5p3 plus ये कितना है? 5p4 plus कितना है?
5p4,
5p.
5p5.
तो इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे, है ना? वेरी गुड. तो सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये कितना हो गया? 20 प्लस ये कितना हो गया? 60 प्लस ये कितना हो गया? 120, राइट? है ना? ये सुनो, 20, 60, 120 और ये भी 120. क्लियर है चीज? एवरीवन इज क्लियर इन दिस?
Yes,
Their
sir.
answer is
सर वो
320.
लास्ट दोनों सेम कैसे है?
सी अगेन, राइट? इनटू 1 कितना होता है बताओ? वो तो अकेला.
Into 1.
हाँ, ओके सर.
सो 240 प्लस 60, 300.
Their answer is 320.
320, sir.
एवरीवन क्लियर? अब देखो, सिंपल देखो, है ना?
Sir, हमको sir.
राइट? सेम चीज है ना? सब 2 फ्लैग के लिए 20 ऑप्शंस, 3 फ्लैग के लिए राइट 60 ऑप्शंस, देन 4 फ्लैग के लिए 120 ऑप्शंस,
120 options. 5th flag के लिए 120 options.
टोटल 320. क्लियर हो गया ये?
हाँ, sir.
Yes,
ठीक है,
sir.
चलो.
Answer.
ओके, कैन यू सॉल्व 6 प्रॉब्लम्स? इसमें मैं बाद में दूंगा ये, राइट? बट ये 6 प्रॉब्लम्स हो जानी चाहिए, हो जाएंगे 6. हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
राइट? ओके, नाउ वी स्टडीड परम्यूटेशन. होता क्या परम्यूटेशन, राइट? वी स्टडीड दैट, है ना? वी स्टडीड व्हाट इज परम्यूटेशन, वी स्टडीड दिस, राइट? वी स्टडीड व्हाट इज फैक्टोरियल आल्सो. व्हाट इज फैक्टोरियल वी स्टडीड. हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you solve question number 5? Everyone can solve question number 5 na? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So let us
Yes.
solve this. 6 का second. Everyone solve 6 का second. Second, 6 का second. Everyone. Step by step. 6 का second. So what is 12 factorial? Tell me. Step by step. Everyone. Step by step. What is very good? So 12 factorial divided by 10 factorial. 10 factorial into 2 factorial. Now, what is 12 factorial? So 12 factorial is 10 factorial into 11 into 12. 66 is the correct answer, guys. Very good. 66 is the correct answer. Very good. Divided by 10 factorial into 2, because 2 factorial is 2. Now, 10 factorial cut gaya. Tell me, 10 factorial will be cancelled, and 2 will divide 12 6 times. So 11 into 6 is 66. Easy, very good, Rupa. Correct, Rupa. Rohit, correct.
Sir, I had missed the 11. So
Yes.
that's why I got 3 factorial.
Okay, chalo. Right? Chalo. Very good. Easy, easy, right? So it is chalo. Now, let us see how many of you can solve this. Okay? You have to evaluate. Evaluate means find. When n is equal to 5, n का value 5 दिया हुआ है and r का value 2 दिया हुआ है. So you have to just put values and calculate. Everyone, step by step. Take your time.
Oh, n is equal to 5. I
Yes.
consider it as 2.
See, n is 5, so let us write. So it is what? 5 factorial divided by, now here it is 2 factorial because
Sir,
it
what?
is,
To 3 factorial.
Sir,
yes.
into 3 factorial.
Now
Sir,
5 yes, 3 factorial into 4 into 5. This is 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2. So 3 factorial cut gaya, 2 से 4 cut गया 2 times. So the answer
yes,
is 10.
sir. 10.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Correct.
we
Sir, 10.
answered that.
10,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Very good. Easy enough? Tell me,
Yes,
easy.
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any doubt on this?
No doubt, sir.
Very good. So see 10. Now, can you solve this? Let us see. Can you solve this?
yes.
Okay, everyone, I'll just help you guys. 8 factorial, think about it step by step. Which is bigger? 8 factorial is bigger, 9 factorial is bigger, or 10 factorial is bigger?
10. 10.
10. So
10.
can I write, can
10.
I, yes, can I write 10 and 9 in terms of 8? Can I write 9 factorial as 8 factorial into 9?
Into 9, yes, sir.
I write 10 factorial as 8 factorial into 9 into 10. Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
Now, I guess all of you understood the hint, right? Now, can I do this?
Yes,
Tell me,
sir.
right? Can I do this? Can I just write it like this? Hi, Anna. Can I write it like
Sir,
this?
10, sir. Sir, 10.
Okay, wait. Can I write like this? It won't be in factorial, Ragini. It won't be in factorial. Now tell me, here also we have 8 factorial in denominator. Here also we have 8 factorial in denominator, right? And here also we have 8 factorial into denominator. Can I take common? Can I take 8 common and cancel? Anna, step by step. Can I take like this, sir? 1 by 8 factorial मैंने common ले लिया. So I will be left with 1. Step by step. Because sir 8 factorial is with all the terms. So ये 1 हो गया यहाँ पे, plus ये क्या हो गया? 1 by 9 हो गया sir. और यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ हो जाएगा yes, it will be x divided by 9 into 10. 9 into 10 into 8 factorial. 8 factorial. So sir 8 factorial और ये 8 factorial cancel हो गया. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, 100 correct, Shravya. Very good, Shravya. So right after cancelling, I will be left with 10 by 9 because 1 plus 1 by 9 is 10 by 9 is equal to x by 10 into 9. So 9 यहाँ भी cancel हो गया and x equal to 10 into 10 which is 100. Now tell me, everyone got this concept? Raise your hand. Everyone got this
Sir,
concept?
100, sir. 100, sir. Answer.
हाँ आ गया ना? Yes, 100 आ गया सबका?
हाँ, sir. आ गया, sir.
Very good, right? Very good.
sir.
ठीक है, चलो, very good. So ये second exercise हम लोग देख करेंगे, right? इसमें कितने questions? 5 questions. 5
Sir,
questions.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the last question, how did we write 1 by 9 factorial as 1 plus 1 by 9?
Arey, I didn't write 1 by 9 factorial. 1 by 8x plus 3x. Sorry, x plus 3x squared. Right? If you consider x common, so यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? 1 बचेगा ना? Plus
Yes,
it is
sir.
3x ना? Right? That is a common thing, right? Factorization common लेते हैं. तो यहाँ पे 1 बचेगा, x into 1 is equal to x. ठीक है?
Sir,
So
ये
the
कौन
same-
सा मॉड्यूल है, sir?
I will send you, don't worry, right? You don't need to worry about this. ठीक है? Okay? Right? So ये 5 questions हो जाएंगे easy. Now, did we derive the formula from this NPR? हम लोगों ने derive किया ना ये NPR, NPN? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Sir.
this did it. The number of permutation of n different objects taken r at a time when repetition is allowed is n to the power r. हाँ या ना? याद है सबको? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 जब repeated होता है तो हम लोग same use करते हैं ना? Same times.
हाँ, sir.
Right?
Sir, अगर वो repeated नहीं होगा तो 4 into 3 into 2.
Yes, exactly. जैसे repeated नहीं हो तो ऐसे लिखेंगे, but repeated हो तो 6 into 6 into 6 है ना?
6 into 6 into 6. हाँ, sir. हाँ, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Sir,
फिर ये वाला एग्जाम्पल याद है? ये थ्योरी, अगेन ये पूरा थ्योरी है, राइट? जो हम लोगों ने समझाया. अब जैसे देखो, इंस्टीट्यूट, एवरीवन थिंक व्हाट इंस्टीट्यूट कितने वर्ड्स बन सकते हैं? सोचो अपने से. INSTITUTE इंस्टीट्यूट कितने वर्ड्स बनेंगे?
sir.
कितने पहले अल्फाबेट्स है? 1 2 3 4 5 6
4,
7
5, 6,
8
7, 8, 9. 9, sir.
4 5 6 7 8 9 9 so 9 तो कितने हैं 9 फैक्टोरियल होने चाहिए yes or no
हाँ
बताओ,
सर, हाँ सर. 9
I-
factorial by 9
by
factorial by 3 factorial into 2
Two
factorial.
factorial.
correct very good 3 factorial into 2 factorial because sir t
Factorial.
कितनी टाइम्स है 1 2
3
3
times है.
और I
I 2 time है.
right I explained Brinda you
हाँ.
understood Brinda
हाँ सर.
Brinda okay your name is not Brinda right ठीक है चलो ये सबको समझ में आ गया ना it is what we have studied right books पढ़ना चाहिए ना books पढ़ने से हमें language पता चलता है you understood the concept but you will get the language I will send this book ठीक है don't worry right so this
factorial.
yes जैसे Allahabad tell me how many words we can form from Allahabad so ये हो गया last वाले का आंसर ये last वाले का आंसर समझ में आ गया ना 9 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial now tell me what about Allahabad
Sir, 9 factorial by 4
Sir, 9
factorial.
4
factorial by
factorial into 2 factorial.
Factor into 2
4
factorial.
okay
factorial
message
into
right
2 factorial.
2 factorial.
everyone else to solve ना right बाकी लोगों को भी solve करने दो
Sir, 9 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial.
बाकी लोगों को solve करने दो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है right बाकी लोगों को solve करने दो right मैसेज करो WhatsApp ये chat box में मैसेज करो ठीक है very good Shravya very good Kishore very good Aditya छोटी सी गलती हो गई Aditya it's not 8 factorial again remember 4 factorial into 2 factorial is not equal to 8 factorial ये पाप है this is पाप it is पाप हाँ या ना याद है फर्स्ट क्लास में मैंने पढ़ाया था that this is पाप yes you can make a separate this for foundation ठीक है very good everyone very good so smart right correct so it is 9 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial very good Brinda very good everyone ठीक है now 10th one everyone 10th one wait Niketan abhi time hai na right just 5 minutes let me complete this 10th one so you have to make what 4 digit number everyone ऐसे जब भी question पूछे ना ऐसे 4 digit number so how many box do we need to make tell me if it is 4 digit number how many box very good 4 box correct very good correct and how many digits are there tell me how many digits are there
9.
1 to 9 ke 9 and repetition is allowed or not allowed
Not allowed.
Allowed.
very good so the first digit ke liye kitne options tell me
9.
9
Sir, 9.
8
Sir, 8.
6
7, 6.
so or I can say it is 9p4 हाँ या ना 9p4
Yes, sir.
now if I would have told you right how many 4 digit even numbers then क्या होता tell me that is a question I twisted it right I'm telling you right why 5 factorial Niket okay yeah so if I would have told you
Sir, 4 into 3 into 2 into.
if it would be even right so ये ऐसे नहीं होगा ना 1 to 9 में कितने even numbers है tell me 1 to 9 में कितने even numbers है 4 even numbers है
हाँ सर 4 even.
so we would start with this we would start with unit digit के 4 ways right अब 9 में से एक यूज कर लिया हमने तो यहाँ पे कितने ways बचेंगे tell me how many ways
8.
no repetition is not allowed Brinda repetition is not allowed 8 very good यहाँ पे 7
7.
6 what if it is right 8 into 7 into 6 into 4 ठीक है right even numbers के लिए okay right okay so that is it guys this is the yes it will end don't worry okay so I guess all of you understood this है ना so there are some other interesting problems you can just go through that right कुछ अच्छे problems हैं
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
you don't have to solve after 12 right यहीं तक solve करना है सिर्फ यहाँ तक यहीं तक solve करना है ठीक है example level 11 यहाँ तक ही तुम्हारे को करना है ठीक है
Sir, should I